Step into the nexus of human innovation, where binary code breathes life into dreams and the impossible becomes tangible. Virtual reality, VR, is not merely a technology, it is a revolution, a paradigm shift that dissolves the barriers between the physical and the digital, the real and the imagined. Imagine a universe where you can traverse alien landscapes, converse with historical titans, or sculpt galaxies with your fingertips, all within the confines of a headset. This is VR, a symphony of hardware, software, and human creativity that redefines existence itself. VR's magic lies in its ability to hijack perception. High-resolution displays, spatial audio, and haptic feedback converge to create a synthetic reality so vivid, the brain surrenders to illusion. Photorealistic environments pulse with detail, every rustling leaf, echoing footstep, and shimmering light is a calculated orchestration. Advanced eye tracking adjusts depth in real time, while neural interfaces experiment with direct brainwave interaction, blurring the line between thought and action. Here, the body becomes an avatar. Motion sensors translate gestures into digital poetry, enabling you to climb Everest, duel with samurai, or dance in zero gravity. The applications of VR stretch far beyond gaming. Picture surgeons practicing complex procedures on holographic patients, engineers walking through unbuilt skyscrapers, or students dissecting virtual stars in a classroom orbiting Saturn. Therapies for PTSD now use VR to gently reprogram trauma. Social platforms like Meta Horizons host weddings, concerts, and protests in hyper-realistic metaverses. In a climate crisis era, VR offers eco-empathy. Stand in melting Arctic ice or deforested jungles, and feel the urgency to act. Corporations deploy VR for empathy training, letting executives live a day as a gig worker or refugee. This is empathy engineered at scale. Yet, with power comes peril. VR addiction looms, a digital opium where users forsake reality for curated perfection. Deepfake avatars threaten identity. What happens when your virtual self is hacked or manipulated? Privacy evaporates as eye-tracking data reveals subconscious desires, and neural interfaces risk weaponization. Philosophically, VR challenges reality's sanctity. If a simulation can mimic joy, grief, or love, does authentic experience still matter? Societies may fracture into those who embrace synthetic utopias and those clinging to a fading real world. The horizon gleams with promise. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, like Neuralink aim to stream VR directly into the cortex, bypassing screens entirely. Quantum computing could generate entire universes in real time, governed by alternate physics. Imagine collaborative VR dreams, artists co-create in shared subconscious realms, or scientists visualize 4D quantum fields. Spiritual VR might simulate near-death experiences or digital reincarnations, posing profound questions. Can a soul exist in silicon? Will humanity's legacy be a constellation of code, shimmering in the cosmic cloud? This is your invitation to shape the virtual frontier. Whether you're a developer, storyteller, or philosopher, VR demands visionaries. Design worlds that challenge norms. Build a city where gravity is optional, a library holding every book never written, or a therapy simulation that heals generational trauma. Reimagine education, diplomacy, art. But tread ethically, embed safeguards, honor user agency, and remember that every line of code echoes in someone's reality. The age of VR is a renaissance of human potential, a canvas as infinite as consciousness itself.